We're getting the trailer loaded up. January 12th, and it's the first snow of the year. So, global warming. Almost there. Oh yeah. Oh! Yeah! Oh! Almost had it. Almost had it. The man's working. Don't you put me behind the wheel! Watch out! Time to watch the master work. Go remove some powder. So apparently we're getting down to -20 wind chill here, which I was not aware of, so it's a little cold out there. So we started at about 3. We got a surgical center, a couple banks, like a dermatology, so kind of just bouncing around like 5 different spots and taking the snow away. Is it working? Kinshimmick here. We're expecting 3 to 6 hours going into the late afternoon today. An old Chuck E. Cheese.
Let me cut my...
I love the radio in the early hours of the day.
That's wild.
It just seems like you guys are just different people in that aspect, I guess.
I will say, with all that stuff that's happening, I did think that she might have been one of the good things that came along.
Woohoo!
And now, and maybe
get it, girl!
Around, and I'm open to
another shot.
It was just an off day for him, and he can
give him another shot.
Shine a light on the gloom and doom.
I mean, yeah, that was sweet what you said, so I guess if we're not going to stick to the negative at all the time, then yeah.
Okay.
I'll do better to be brighter.
Yeah. It is currently 4:18 a.m. Me and Fletch are doing some snow, baby. Rides around in that little automobile while I do the dirty work. Give me that shovel. Give me that shovel. Give me that. Cleaning up his home. Look at this guy. Well, it's about 4 o'clock now, and we're done for the day. We ended up getting good 4 or 5 inches. Maybe go say hi to Far and call it a fucking day. I went to bed at 2 o'clock last night and we woke up at 3. 13 hours later. It's a miracle. What am I gonna spend my money on? Boats and hoes. I lied miserably. We've got the sun houses left. I mean, nice houses. Maybe after like a few weeks of this, I can buy one. That's what I'm gonna spend my money on. Nice house. We got a tip. We got a tip.
Going to the strip club tonight, bitch.
You get a 20. You get a 20.